Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good people. How are you today? Okay, let me introduce my group. First, I'll introduce myself. My name Melani Ervina. My student number A320220059. And my friends Febiola Anggita Putri. His student number A320220062. And Fadia Aurilly Salsabila, his student number A320220076. Today, we would like to explain about procedure text. Before discussing the material, we should know about learning achievement and core competence or basic competence. There are learning achievement. Learners are able to identify the meaning in the text. Learners are able to identify communicative goals and rhetorical steps of monologue text in the form of procedure text. Learners are able to identify the linguistic characteristics of the procedure text. There are core competence, understanding and applying knowledge, like factual, conceptual, and procedural, based on his curiosity about science, technology, art, culture, related to phenomena and events that appear to the eye. And the basic competence, applying social functions, text structure, and linguistic elements of oral and written transactional text interaction that involve the act of giving and receiving information related to the ability and willingness to perform an action, according to the context of its use. Definition of procedure text is a type of text that is written to explain how to do something.
Generic structure. A. Goals or aim. This text contains about the purpose of making or operating of something. B. Materials or tools. Materials consist of ingredients that are used in making something, but not all of part of procedure text includes materials. Sometimes a procedure text doesn't have a material section. C. Step or method. Contains the step or sequences that must be done so that the objectives outlined in the aim or goal to be achieved. Step or sequences must be a sequence from the first to the last. Third, purpose. The purpose of procedure text is to tell the reader how to do or make something. The information is presented in a logical sequence of events which is broken up into small sequenced steps. These texts are usually written in the present tense. The most common example of a procedural text is a recipe.
And next, language features of procedure text. First, using imperative sentence patterns or command, for example, cut, do not mix, and so on. Second, using active verbs such as turn, put, do, mix, etc. Third, using connectives or conjunction to short of activities such as then, while, etc. Fourth, using adverbials or adverbs to express detail the time, place, manner accurate. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, etc. And fifth, using the simple present tense. Example of procedure text. Today, I want to tell you how to make simple sandwich egg for your breakfast. First of all, prepare the ingredients such as 6 until 8 slices of white bread, You can use bread with or without crust. 1/2 tomato has been sliced. 1/2 cucumber that has been sliced. Lettuce to taste. 2 until 4 slices of cheese slices. 2 until 4 pieces of bacon. 2 eggs. Enough cooking oil to fry the eggs. Mayonnaise to taste. Let's start to make this sandwich. First, fry the eggs in a cow egg shape one by one. Then set it aside. Second, cook the smoked meat without oil. Set aside. After that, take white bread. Then pile it with tomato slices, cucumber slices, lettuce, cheese slices, bacon, eggs, and mayonnaise. If you want it thicker, do this step twice. Then stack it again using a piece of white bread. The tuna cheese sandwich is ready to be served. At this stage, you can cut the crust from the edges of the white bread according to your taste. Serve the sandwiches on a serving plate.
Let's do the exercise. Choose the most appropriate alternative provided by choosing the answer between A, B, C, or D. Number 1. What is the text about? A. Explanation of simple sandwich. B. Description of simple sandwich. C. History of simple sandwich. D. The procedure of making simple sandwich. Number 2. What are the main ingredients to make simple sandwich? A. White bread. B. Tuna. C. Egg. D. Tomato slice. Number 3. What tense does the text use? A. Simple present tense. B. Past tense. C. Past continuous tense. D. Present continuous tense.